I'm Ronna. I'm an educator at the North Carolina Aquarium on Roanoke Island. Welcome back to one of our Back to Basics series. We're going to build ourselves a turtle. What you're going to need is some paper, a couple of sheets. I'm going to use recycled paper. You're going to need to have a pair of scissors. Safety scissors are probably the best. A glue stick and a bunch of colors. Maybe you'll use crayons, maybe you'll use color pencils, or maybe you'll use markers. Find a place you can work on too. All right? All right, so what you're going to do is draw you a turtle on your piece of paper. Let's make a nice big carapace. This is going to be a big turtle. That's the shell that's on the back of the turtle. I'm going to add a head, because it's got to have a head, doesn't it? This is going to be a green sea turtle, so I'm going to make big flippers, big front arms. They got to have back feet too, don't they? So they're kind of webbed to help them swim in the ocean. And let's put a tail on that turtle. So we've got our body of the turtle all set. Then what I want to do, I want to add the scutes on my carapace, the back shell of that turtle. So take another sheet of paper and do all kinds of colors. Fill up that page. Maybe use your favorite colors. My favorite colors are purple and blue. So I've covered that up with all those colors. Now we're going to cut out the scutes. Pick a shape. You might do a circle, you might do a square. I'm going to make triangles. Triangles. What shape is a triangle? A triangle has how many sides? A triangle has 3 sides, doesn't it? So I'm going to make a bunch of triangles. Just cut all my scutes out of here. So when we're gluing our scutes on, we want to be able, that turtle be able to slide through the ocean. So I'm going to start with my scutes down here at the bottom. Get some glue on there. I'm going to lay them out like that. Kind of like the row on a row on a row. I'm going to add another layer here, again, just like the shingles on a roof. So there we have our carapace covered in scutes. We got to think about those 4 basic needs that turtle needs, right? It needs to be in clean water. So we're going to indicate clean water by having a nice blue waves coming out here, right? Lots of good clean water for that sea turtle to live in. It's going to want to eat. So I'm going to put a little bit of green in here. This is going to be the green grasses that sea turtles, like green sea turtles, like to eat. They've got their shelter with their carapace, and look at all that space. I think this turtle is going to be pretty happy. Don't you? Make sure you sign it. Got to make sure people know you know about sea turtles. There you go. And now you have your own sea turtle drawing. Well, I hope you learned something new. Be sure to tell somebody about it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.